Matter don't reach me all the way from Ghana. When I don't say I be international lady, so they bring una news from every angle. And this one now from Nana Ama McBrown. For now, we know na TV presenter and actress for Ghana. So this one, my people, the matter they complicated. So if you now sit down, listen, you no go understand them. Nana Ama McBrown, Monaguchi, A+, Arnold, and Shatamichi, Shatawale's baby mama, all of them been did this TV program. You understand how they do this way? You go, they ask specific question you want. Now so these people sit down. No? So from one talk to another talk, now no say na matter they bring matter. So A+ come throw Monaguchi question based on say we don't dey hear my people, we don't dey hear this matter since so say Monaguchi go study law. So now people come dey talk say na lie, say she just dey fake am, na in fact she just want feel among, you know, na understand. So many people just dey throw away many things. So A+ come tell Mona say, see you, since we already dey here, e better make we just clear this issue because people just dey talk outside. And when they talk like that, I don't know wetin I go tell them. So make them hear am from your mouth as we dey here. My people now, so they can ask that question. Say, Abe, you say you study law. Where you study? How you be? You understand many questions because the matter don't too much. Ungwanu now so now from that question where A+ asks this Mona. Now there this matter where they bring una start. So Biko, make I not just waste una time first before I go talk with you. I want talk. Join me, make we listen to what they talk.
Intimo. Baby, I could be a baby so as I'm winning. Let me show you to make us all clear. And I agree with Kwame.
Yeah.
America, law school, no, oh yeah, no, 1 year, 6 months. Me your internet, me your classroom. Me a school bay. First of all, and Sunday I confirm also.
Okay. Okay, for internship, ne Abigail Williams and Co. I was Worcester, Massachusetts, and a school also I was Massachusetts School of Law. And also what Massachusetts, because that's the state in which I grew up. I mean, I lived back and forth. Yeah.
So it's gone.
No, what's your Abigail then?
Abigail Williams and Co.
Abigail Williams and Co.
What you have done.
Whoever was beefing with me.
It makes me happy because.
I'm glad say Empress what frame and then you know to share.
I'll say that, but
oh, Arnold. That means you are also doubting.
No. Massachusetts. Massachusetts School of Law.
Nayera. Now from this thing we I just watch. Now in this matter costa the elevator. Now relax. Monaguchi don't come outside now. Come they talk say Nana Ama McBrown humiliate am, say disgrace am, say Nana Ama McBrown don't even forget say she get marital issues, but she dey make another person in headache. In fact, many things. No be even that one self can be the problem. Monaguchi don't even expose matter, personal matter for Nana McBrown. You don't open mouth now, can't tell us say Nana Ama McBrown in husband. They cheat on am. They sleep with another woman. And that one said not be even the end. Another matter, because of waiting Monaguchi don't come talk, another matter don't come attached to that one. Person even don't come outside and come tell us say no be the lady way Monaguchi they talk about. Say the person when Nana Ama McBrown husband they cheat on. Now one politician lady. Oh my people, this matter just they get pregnancy, and the pregnancy they get pregnancy, and the pregnancy come they get another pregnancy. So because for now when no never hear am. I want me to hear Monaguchi by herself. When she dey talk, say, Nana Ama McBrown husband get another woman. So join me, make we listen to that.
Problems.
Marriage.
Nobody should put me in the center because from what I have heard with evidence that I have, up to today,
Wow.
I will not say the girl's name because the girl hasn't wronged me in any way. But nipani obi a yenim nipa. Nipani ye ketra. Nempen kwasi asem.
Omo. Make I talk omo again. Omo. Mona, this Monaguchi one they see like this. she get problem with how Nana Mama Brown introduce her enter this show, according to her. She say she not like the way they introduce her, say this one, say how you go. In fact, many wahala. I beg my people, why be say as a celebrity, some people don't know how they ask people question. People na better still they used to this thing. No. If wait, English not even too hard. Go school na go say no. Imagine na the same thing will happen to this girl. What be her name? Wendy Shay. As a celebrity, they invite you come show or come TV program or whatever una dey call am. If the presenter ask you, who are you? Na insult. No, I just dey ask you. I beg. I no put hot yam for my mouth. Na insult. It just be like say, okay, now I be one musician. Let's say Madam Aproko na musician now, and I call your show, you be interviewer, and then you ask me, who is Madam Aproko? It is very simple. They won't know who you be. For those people who don't know you, so you go introduce yourself by yourself. What be so they do when they share that one come work out? Una no. Education, no education. Education good. Now people now don't they talk say, na lie, say Mona no study law, Mona no do this one. I bet how that one can't take concern Mark Brown. Now Mark Brown talk am. Because I not just understand some people sometimes. Una sit down, they ask una question. Una even notice as they ask am for the video, if una watch am, if una dey very attentive, even as they ask am, she can't tense. She can't become tense. Like, you know, understand? You know when you don't lie about something, then they can't bring the thing up so that you go explain yourself. Now that kind of tension can't hold her. No, go back and watch the video. Una go see how her body even they shake. She no even fit talk again. No good to the lie, oh. It no good to the lie. Now you don't dey blame Mark Brown. See, Mona, you not even supposed to blame anybody. You don't need blame because the same question where they ask Shatamichi, now the same question where they ask you, now the same question where they ask everybody. How come your own one dey different? You just personally select problem. Your wahala now, make I just tell you now, because me, I know they hide my mouth. Your problem now, Mona, they say you dey shame because you don't lie, and they don't catch you on top the lie where you lie. They ask you about your profession, and you start to speak drama. Una, she no even fit explain. Actually, waiting. Tell us, I school for this place, I do this one. Una no hear na ma. She herself, she even dey talk am anywhere where she go, not be just for this video. She go dey talk am. Say she no finish school. Secondary school say na there she stop. Say if you even go in school, they go tell you say she start but she no finish. Why una they lie to impress or to no waiting? Why they try to cover up? Simple thing. For una to even see say this law school say where people they talk about she no go. Because if truly you go that law school, you no go even take am as an offense. Wetin concern Anagma husband where they cheat with you where go law school? Question, wetin cause these two things now? They get anything? They get any communication? Massachusetts. She never even fit pronounce the name of her. Hey, la balamo. She never even fit pronounce the name of school where you say you go. May the Lord be with you, my sister. You see this career where you don't choose. May God just be with you. Women, now we they bring our own downfall by ourselves. Even if Nana Ama do something to you, he offend you, or maybe he do something, why you no fit call and make una settle this thing together? No, make una calculate this thing. Balance wetin she dey accuse Nana Ama of, and balance with the problem wey she don cause. Because Nana Ama no even insult am. Person wey even dey whine himself na the guy wetin be name Arnold. Na Arnold even dey ask am again if una watch am after she talk say Massachusetts abi wetin. Arnold even dey ask am Massa what? Massa, because the way she pronounce it, see e dey very obvious, my sister, you dey lie. You are lying. In fact, you are I cannot even talk wetin I even want talk. You understand? And again, the one wey even pay me pass, you say somebody offend you. Okay, you've already taken offense, but you still sit down there. You allow me the program finish. You still answer question. If truly the thing pay you or person offend you, why you wait until the thing finish? You for just talk am out. Since na show, you for even use style laugh talk am. Simple. Now we dey like our own problem by ourselves. Africa, My people, now this hot matter dey ground like this as I dey talk to una. And I dey sure say many of una don hear am already, but for una wey no know na why I bring am. So start dey drop those comments whether una think say Mark Brown do wrong, Mona do wrong, who do right, anyhow wey you wan see this case, drop am for that comment section. Me, I don bring my own as usual. You understand? So and also share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen for Ghana. Very very important. You understand? And make sure say you subscribe, click on that notification bell. If not, you go dey miss everything wey we bring for you. Stay tuned for our next story.